Hello Amazons, it's me, and this is going to be the first jewelry unboxing of the new year. I do have a jewelry haul coming up, stuff from JTV, but this is a mystery box from John's store. I have not opened it, so let's see what's inside. Wish my scissors were a little sharper. Okay, so let's see what we've got. I think this is the variety box, if I'm not mistaken. So, well, as always, here is his business card. So you guys pause this video and go here if you want to buy from him. A lot of you ask me where his stores are, and I always link them, but you guys don't seem to see them in the description box. So pause this video and check out these 3 websites you can buy from John there. And let's see what we've got here. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, let me open that. You guys know I will try to zoom in later. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I don't know what's what, of course, but that is beautiful. Adjustable. Beautiful. What is it? Oh, okay, this is an evil eye bracelet. I actually don't have one of these, so that's cool. Very, very cool. Oh, wow. This is one of those. I have this in sterling silver. This one seems to be a gold ore or a gold tone. I don't know yet. But that is awesome. I'll probably wear this one tomorrow. Nice and heavy. Super pretty. A ring. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. This is definitely a fashion jewelry ring. Very, very cute. Another ring. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I don't see any markings in here yet, but that doesn't mean anything yet. Super cute. I love the heart shape on that. Excuse me, I have a cold, guys. Another ring. Okay, let me... Sorry. This one's stapled, so... I need some new scissors, too. Those are kind of dull. I hope you all have been doing well. I think you guys will really like my next jewelry haul. I went kind of crazy. JTV is having an end of the year sale. Well, it was an end of the year sale, so I went a little crazy. Oh, this is pretty. And this looks like a natural gemstone. Gorgeous. Or like a quartz or something. Absolutely gorgeous. That is my favorite piece so far. We have some pearl earrings. These are cute. They're like a golden color. Those are adorable. There's still more in here. Ooh, those are pretty. Is that me, guys? Are there 3 earrings in there? 3 earrings in there. Let's see. Oops. It's definitely 3. They're beautiful. They look kind of real too. But obviously I don't know yet. But it's nice to have a backup, I guess, in case, God forbid, I lose one. But there's 3 of those in there. Ooh, these are beautiful. They've got like a crown setting. I love these boxes. These boxes are addictive, and I know you guys have gotten them too. So I couldn't resist. I actually ordered more, but they were Christmas gifts, so I couldn't show you guys what was in them. But there was a pair of gold hoops inside the previous box. These are cute. I love the little mounting on those. Yeah, in the last box, which you guys didn't see, there were gold hoops inside. But again, it was a Christmas gift. What is this? Oh, these are genuine pearl studs with the gold disc backing. The silicone gold backing that a lot of people are doing now. JTV sells earrings just like this. These are, I guarantee you, these are 10 or 14 karat gold because that's how they do them now. Gorgeous. There's still more in here. What is this? What? Oh my God. You know. Is this stapled? Alright. This is so pretty. Hold on. These are gorgeous. Look at these earrings. Look at those. Oh my gosh. These are fabulous. These look real. I don't know yet. I'll have to let you guys know. But these look like diamonds and they are fabulous. You can wear them like this or you can turn them on the side. Oh my God. They're gorgeous. And that was it. So let me zoom in and get rid of the empty baggies here. So we have this really cute evil eye bracelet. We've got the golden pearl earrings. We've got this beautiful bangle. We've got these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous earrings, which look like the real deal. I will have to let you ladies know. We have this beautiful bracelet. This is stunning in like a rose gold tone. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there's more in here. I didn't see this. How did I miss this? There's this bracelet. A heart. And, how did I miss that? I think it's got a stamp on it too. On the, I think it's got a hallmark on it. We'll have to see. Again, I'll let you ladies know. Beautiful ring here with a heart. And then this fashion jewelry ring here. We've got the genuine pearl studs. These are gold, I can just tell, but I'll double check. We've got the cute little studs here, the princess setting. And last but not least, those earrings where there was 3 in the pack. So I guess I have a backup earring. Super, super cute. Oh my god, guys, I cannot wait to go loop this stuff. I will post an update in the comment section. Oh, and then, the ring. I forgot the ring. I left it on because I love it so much. This appears to be a natural stone, and there's a hallmark inside of it, and it's got little diamond accents there. So, John's boxes never, ever, ever fail. Like, these are so addictive, guys. Like, I can't even just, oh my god. But, okay, up next, I have a jewelry haul from JTV. I have some rings from Nicole's store. I have some loose gemstones that I bought. And there's other stuff I bought, like a purse and some shoes. And I bought a lot of stuff from Sephora. I was given a couple Sephora gift cards. So, yeah, guys, I don't know if I'll show you the makeup, but stay tuned. Leave a comment below and check out John's store. John, thank you for the amazing products. I know I'm not the only one that feels this way. You have been so good to so many of us. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Look at that bling. Bye.